Hello beautiful parents, welcome to Mom on Board. Today's video's topic is whether baby swaddling is important or necessary. Both sides we are going to see whether it is necessary or not, and if we are preferring swaddling then what are the reasons, and if you are not preferring to swaddle your baby then what are the reasons. But before starting today's video, I'll just take 2 minutes of yours. If you are not a subscriber of Mom on Board, then there is a red color button, that is a subscription button. Please hit that button. Be a member of Sharvari's Mom on Board, and please do watch video till the end if you really like the video. Then don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe Sharvari's Mom on Board. So let's dive into the video. So today's topic is whether baby swaddling is necessary or not. The answer is no, it's not necessary. It's depend on your choice. If you are comfortable to swaddle your baby, then it's okay. And if you are not comfortable, means if you are not willing to swaddle your baby, then it's all okay. There are different thought processes behind swaddling. First, we are going to see why swaddling means why generally people prefer swaddling. See what happens when a baby is formed in mother's womb. The mother womb is all surrounded by various organs, that is the lungs, intestine, then under there is a rectum, stomach. The uterus is so small, and that in that small uterus baby has to get fit in. So as baby grows or develops, the size of uterus is increases, no doubt about it, but general height of the baby is near about 50 centimeter, and for that to accumulate in that small space, the baby's position is a flexed position. What is the flexed position? You will get idea by seeing the image. Let's explain or let's understand the what is the flex position. If I'm stretching my hand, then my hand will get a lot of space, but if I have to adjust my hand in a small space, then I have to fold it. The folding, which is called as flex, means it is a process of flexation, means it is a folding. So by folding my hand, it is very easy for me to accumulate in a small space. You can see the baby is getting adjusted in that small womb, so the baby should have the flex position, means his or her legs and hands are in flex position. So when newborn comes into the world, you generally notice that they are sleeping in the flex positions, means their hands are folding, their legs are folded. So it's a natural process. What they are imagining, that they are imagining that they are still in the womb. So for getting the comfortness of the mother's womb, the swaddling is done. By swaddling, baby feels that he or she is still under the mother's womb, and they feel coziness, they feel comfortableness. So for that generally swaddling is done. This is the reason why generally prefer swaddling. But there is another thought process, that some people think that because of swaddling, the baby's hands and legs will be get stretched, their bones will have the strength, or they may not face the problem of leg bowing, that is the curve in the legs, and because of that unnecessary they prefer the swaddling. So if you are thinking that because of all these reason the swaddling is important, then it is all of no use. Because of swaddling, the baby's hands and legs will not get stretched, they are not getting straight, they are not getting relief from any deformities. Swaddling is just for giving the comfortableness to your baby. If you are noticing that the bowing in the legs of the baby, then it is having a different medical reasons. It is happens because of the deficiency of vitamin D, or it is called as rickets. And another reason it is having because of the physiology, or maybe genetics, means if the parents or grandparents of the baby is having that bowing of leg, in that case the baby may have the problem of the bowing of the legs. But the swaddling is not the solution on the bowing of the legs or curving on the legs or straightening the hands or the legs of the baby. If you notice that when you open up that swaddle, baby just gets stretched for a while, and again if you are allowing your baby without swaddle, then he or she just sleep by folding the hands and folding the legs. They are their natural process, that is their natural position of the sleeping. Because of that, baby feel comfortable. So the swaddling is not an essential things, it's depend on your choice. If you really want to swaddle your baby, then it's okay. But if you are not that kind of parent that you don't want to swaddle your baby, then please don't think that if I am not swaddling my baby, then my baby will get different deformities, or my baby's bone or hands and legs will not get stretched. No, it's not the case. It's a natural process. When your baby start walking, by that time the folding process or the flexation process it get reduced. It's take near about 1 year or 1.5 year. By the 1 year your baby will sleep straight. So don't worry regarding the swaddling. So flex position and the folding of the hands and the legs of the baby, it's a totally natural things. For that, swaddling is not a compulsion, and the reasons what I discussed, it is not the solution on the physical deformities or getting the strength in the bone in your babies. It is not depending on the swaddling. So it's totally your choice. If you are willing to, you can do it. If you are not willing to, then please don't do it. So it's all regarding the swaddling and the question whether it is necessary or not. I hope you get the enough information regarding this video, regarding this topic. And if you really like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button for me. It's very essential. And please subscribe, comment, share this video more and more. We will meet in another video very soon. Till then, please take good care of yourself and please be on board and wait.